What if planes did not drop bombs but dropped something that could grow forests instead, not destroy cities but rebuild nature? Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you this idea already exists? Look around the world today. Forests are disappearing faster than ever. Land that was once green is now dry, cracked, and lifeless. Every year, millions of trees are lost. And when trees disappear, everything else starts to break. The soil becomes weak. Water dries up. Animals lose their homes. And slowly life disappears from that land. But here is the strange part. At the same time, we have technology powerful enough to change entire landscapes in seconds, planes, drones, machines. But instead of creating life, we often use them for destruction. So what if we flip that idea? Now look at this. These small black balls may not look important, but they carry something powerful inside. They are called seed balls. And inside each one, there are 3 simple things. A seed, nutrients, and a protective clay layer. That clay acts like a shield. It protects the seed from heat, from dryness, even from animals. So instead of dying, the seed waits, sometimes for days, sometimes for weeks, just waiting for the right moment. Now imagine this. Thousands of these seed balls are dropped across empty land. At first, nothing changes. The ground still looks dead. The air still feels dry. But then rain begins to fall and everything changes. The clay slowly softens. It begins to break apart. Water reaches the seed and suddenly the seed wakes up. Roots push down into the soil searching for nutrients. At the same time, a tiny green shoot starts growing upward. It is slow, but it is powerful because once life starts, it does not stop. Now imagine this happening. Not just once, but thousands of times across an entire landscape. What was once dry starts turning green. What was silent starts filling with sound. Birds return, insects come back. Animals slowly follow. The soil becomes stronger. Water stays longer in the ground. And slowly a forest begins to grow again. Not planted by machines, not controlled by humans, but created by nature itself. And the most amazing part, all of this started from something this small, a single seed ball. Now think about the impact. If this idea was used at scale, entire forests could be restored. Soil that was damaged could heal over time, cleaner air because more trees absorb pollution and wildlife finding their way back home. Even climate change could be slowed down, not by one big invention, but by millions of small ones working together. And this is not just theory. In parts of Africa, seed balls are already being used to restore land. Millions of them spread across dry regions waiting for rain. Now imagine combining this idea with modern technology, drones, airplanes. Instead of dropping destruction, they could spread life across the planet. So now ask yourself, we already have the power to change the world. The only question is, what do we choose to do with it? Destroy or rebuild? Because sometimes changing the future does not require new technology, just a new way of thinking. So tell me, what would you choose? And if you like this idea, do not forget to like and subscribe.